So one of the great ways to get people into your chatbot and interacting with you on Facebook Messenger is through Facebook plugins such as the Send to Messenger button. What this allows us to do is it allows us to create a button that when clicked will trigger something inside of the Facebook Messenger for that user if they're logged in. So to generate the code that we need to install on our web pages, on our landing pages, or whatever we may be doing, we just go to our Send to Messenger button. We select the flow in which we want to initiate. So what conversation do we want to start? We can do the Ask Agent, always a great one too, right? Or if they're doing a home value, or if you're running an ad for an open house, the open house flow works too. We're going to do Ask Agent for now. And then there's two options here. We can send them and we can automatically, when they click the button, redirect that page to the Facebook Messenger site so that they can see that, or we can redirect them to a custom URL. So why would we want to redirect them to a custom URL? Well, let me show you this for example. So we've got a landing page here. This is in ClickFunnels, and it's a simple house didn't sell, swipe our exclusive home marketing checklist. So we want to send them the home marketing checklist, but we also want to get them into the Messenger bot. So if we select the Ask Our Agent, we've got a custom URL. After they click this, we want to take them to a different page that delivers the home marketing guide. So we've got it right on this page and we're like, okay, this is cool. So I need to actually grab this link from my ClickFunnels tool, and to do that, we'll go here, I'll copy this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to paste this in here. All right. And then I'm going to click Generate Code. And what this will do is this will create the code specifically for us and what we need. So we want to go ahead and take that code that we have from the Send to Messenger and go to the landing page. In this one, for example, ClickFunnels, you could be using a WordPress site, or you could be putting this on one of your website tools. All we need to do is paste this entire code string into a JavaScript HTML snippet, and I'm going to save it here. Then I'm going to go ahead and preview, and we should see a nice little button, Send a Messenger button here. Now, I'll probably want to redesign this page, but to just kind of show you exactly what we have happening, we'll go ahead and click that, and you'll see that it redirects us to the page, and then if I hop over here to Messenger, you'll see that it triggered up a conversational flow for us. So that is how the Send to Messenger button works.